Hey, do not tase him because you'll spark it up.
So what we're dealing with here is a pyromaniac, spreading lighter fluid all over the place. The officers, the car himself, basically neutralizing the taser and the gun. It's an interesting self-defense mechanism, but then you meet a car.
Oh, hey! 601, can we roll fire? Hey, stop. You got a fire extinguisher?
Yeah.
He's setting fire to stuff. Stop.
I asked her nicely.
I don't care. Stop. Yeah, bring it here.
Well, now I'm wondering, Mr. Pyromaniac, did you ask her nicely to set her store on fire? Because I'm pretty sure the response would be rather negative.
Affirmative. Six to one, I got the fire out. I would roll them. Where'd you go? This way? Hey! Stop! Get on the ground! He threw lighter fluid on me. Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Hey, we're back behind.
No, you ain't coming. You ain't coming nowhere. Nowhere. Yeah, I'm so good.
He threw it on me. Get on the ground!
Well, now, this escalated into a situation that is very dangerous to the officer. Can't use his taser, can't use his gun. If he gets close, the guy could set him on fire.
Get on the ground! Hey, don't tase him because you'll f it up.
Hey, you gotta back up. Just back up.
So you reckon this officer actually doesn't go through the drive-thru, but just stands on the side of the road with his megaphone out, asking for...
I'll have 2 number 9s, a number 9 large, a number 9 6 with extra dip, a number 7, 2 number 45s, 1 with cheese, and a large soda.
Hey!
Down on the ground, sir. Down on the ground.
Hey, do not tase him because you'll spark it up.
Is he conscious?
No.
Yeah, he's conscious.
Is he?
919 River.
I told him to take me to the floor, man. They didn't do it.
I'll be okay.
That's fine.
You okay?
Yeah, I need my eyes flushed.
Holy hell, the old geezer had some aim, huh? Now imagine the scenario where the officer did catch fire. He would have been blind. It's a good thing cars these days have safety features to not seriously injure pedestrians. And at this low speed, someone has actually a fire hazard. This is their only option. Well, unless they supply the police with net guns. And even then, he could still set himself on fire. I guess they don't teach this at the police academy. That's some quick thinking on the officer's part.
Can I give these to you? Here. I got it, thanks. Ooh, that's cold.
Yeah, sorry.
He threw that in my eye.
You got some eyewash?
Thanks. Yeah. Yeah. Like the second or third row in, he set fire to like all the automotive area.
I'm gonna stay with this for a minute here. We're back to sleep. Did it get in both your eyes? Follow my finger?
Ha! He's got you there, officer. He's gonna make you do the dance of sobriety.
It was burning like crazy earlier.
Huh? I was about to get some music, man.
Keep your head down. Just keep your head down.
10-4.
Fumes secure?
Yes, Elgin. Clear the air. We're all secure here.
All I was asking for my
On
money.
channel 1.
Keep your head down.
I asked them to take me to 6-4, but they wouldn't.
Keep your head down.
Oh, you can put me. Alright? There's nothing else on me. See? It took it to come to this extreme. All I asked for was my syrup.
This is David Bruce. He was hit by a squad car. I'm not sure if he's injured, but that's the reason why you guys are here.
Okay. Hey, David, you hurt anywhere?
He's been searched. We didn't find anything. We took everything off for the most part.
No, listen to me.
What?
Listen to me.
Yeah, he's fine. Well, not really fine, you know, in the head, but he is still more concerned about the purchase he was about to make in the store that made him go off and set fire because he didn't like the prices, I guess. Can you really blame him? Everything is more expensive these days. Even back in 2020. That's when it all started.
Anything hurt on you?
Look at my face.
Well, I don't see anything on your face, so...
I'm asking you to send me to the 6-4. Because I've been off my meds for 4 days. Alright?
Yeah, mental health is a real issue these days. Turns out this man has been off his medication for 4 days. Well, that's no reason to blow things out of proportion. Bye-bye. Never underestimate old criminals. He's a real prodigy, isn't he?
Hey, don't tase him because you'll f it up.
Hey, you gotta back up. Just back up.